Well, hi. Hope you're doing well. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. I know it's really hot outside if you live anywhere on the East Coast, so stay cool. Speaking of things that are cool, y'all, appreciate you taking the time to watch. You might want to stick around till the end because there's definitely a giveaway going on because we're over like 3,300 subscribers. That's crazy to me. I don't know why you guys are doing it, but hey, I appreciate it. If you do not know what's going on here, you're better off. Give you the plot of what's going on here. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. I'm the self-proclaimed Husky Dingbat of sneaker Twitter, and I'm glad you're here. If you like what's going on, you can go down below during or after the video and hit subscribe, and you'll immediately become a pal. You'll be joining the 3,300 pals that watch these videos because they have tons of free time and are just the greatest, just good peeps. Stick around until the end for the giveaway details, but before that, it's haul time. So this haul is strictly clothing. No shoes whatsoever, except the ones on my feet, but I have already had them, so that makes 0 sense. So we have 3 things from our good furry friend, the Supreme Donkey. These are all t-shirts from last week's release, week 19. They got here quickly because I live closer to Supreme. So let's see what's going on here. I got 3 things, so I don't know which one's which, but here's number 1. Comes in a Supreme retail bag, as always. This comes with a little sticker pack. It's got box logo, some kind of weird something or other, and also a tentacle sticker pack. That's pretty cool. But anyways, this is a size large. I got this because I thought it might be a good thing to get. This is a mesh Supreme baseball jersey in the camo colorway. I thought this might be a good thing to get to resell. I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot. You'll find that out pretty quick. But this is the first thing I got. Really nice embroidery on the chest. But this is a size large camo Supreme mesh baseball shirt. Whew. I always get nervous opening these up with the box cutter. And another thing that comes in a Supreme retail bag. Comes with another sticker pack that looks like the exact same thing, so that's pretty cool. But this is a size extra large of the heather gray. I don't know if you can see it. It's the Mona Lisa tee. This was part of a bunch of t-shirts that were never released throughout the year, and they just dumped a bunch of them on there last week. So a lot of people like a lot of them. I decided to get an XL because I often get large and medium, and I sometimes forget about my fellow husky folks. So size extra large heather gray Mona Lisa tee from Supreme. One more thing. Hey, a Supreme retail bag, go figure. Oh, this just has a regular old box logo sticker, so that's pretty cool. Go with my other stash of box logo stickers. Oh wait, something else in here. Oh, double up. 2 Supreme box logo stickers. 2, are you kidding me? And that's it, but this is the medium Ganesha tee. I don't know if I said that right, but that's what the sticker was, so pretty cool. Black, it's medium. These are all gonna be on the website later. We'll get to that in a minute. But this last thing here, this is for personal use only. As you guys know, I am actually like real life friends with our good friend Untied Hawaii. We hung out in Hawaii. Really good dude. I mean, he's exactly like he is in his videos. He's just a really positive, really cool dude. I am honored to call him a friend, and I'm glad our paths crossed. Talking to you, B. If you guys follow his channel, you'll know that he recently got some merch. This has been here for like a week, so I haven't been able to open it. What do we get from Untied Hawaii here? A little note inside of it. To my favorite YouTuber. Aww. Please save sneaker YouTube from monotony. You are our only hope. From Untied Hawaii. What a dude. It kind of does tie into the the video I did for the Soul Steel Hype Box with the trailer in the beginning. But here it is. He got his own shirts. Of course I'm opening this up because duh. The quality on this shirt feels really nice if you're able to get one, but it just says Untied on the front, and on the back it has his little U logo, which I think is real slick. I think the simplicity behind this is pretty awesome. Thank you, man. I really, really, really appreciate this. You guys should go check him out if you haven't. I'd be shocked if you've never heard of him because I think all of my subscribers are people that came over from Untied Hawaii after he like shouted me out or plugged me or something. But Untied Hawaii is the epitome of everything that is good about YouTube. So go check him out. Subscribe if you don't already. Just a really, really good dude. So thank you very much, my friend. That is all we got this week, but I told you stick around because it's time for the SB Mitch 3K giveaway right now. So I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. This giveaway starts right now, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it ends Sunday night at midnight. There is a link below for a gleam.io thing. All I'm making you do is just click something. You don't have to visit a profile. You don't have to sign up for anything. You just click, yes, I'd like to enter. 1 entry per person, and there are 3 winners. The third prize winner will be getting this, a Supreme Friends tee in a size large. Hopefully it fits you. If you don't, you can shrink it or sell it and buy one your size. Or do whatever you want with it. So third prize gets a Supreme unworn from Spring and Summer 18 line Friends shirt. Got our buddies the Dodo Bird, the Frog, and Turtle McTurtley, that's not his real name, hanging out, having a beach day, eating hummus. Second place prize gets their choice of Antisocial Social Club t-shirts. You can get a medium black one, a maroon in a size large, or a size extra large pink one. You will get to choose your size or whatever size you want to take. So that is the second prize winner. And the first prize winner I do not have on hand right now because I'm going to be buying it for you in your size. You'll be getting a dead stock pair of the recently released Nike Murasaki collaboration of a Dunk Low SB called Ride Life. This shoe, I'm buying one for myself and I'm gonna be buying one for you. But this shoe is super clean. It's very versatile, so it will fit with anything. It's got little details on the upper that are just crazy. So it's a black and white shoe. And I figured I'd go back to my roots. Like, the reason I got into shoes was SB. And I would like to pass on my love of SBs to the grand prize winner. So if you win, we'll get your size and we'll have it sent out to you. So go down below into the gleam.io link and good luck. You got till Sunday at midnight to enter. Tell your friends. I will be doing the drawing on Monday. I'll be doing a screen grab, which will be released with Haul Series number 34 if I have anything. I don't know if we'll have anything, but we'll see. I will have a video of a hype box for you on Friday. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. All 3,300 of you. I don't know how many there are. There's something crazy. But I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch these videos of me rambling and getting stuff wrong all the time. Good luck on the giveaway. We'll see you Friday for a hype box, and then we'll see you Monday for a haul/giveaway winners. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Good luck on the giveaway, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!